in IT industry. Uh, I'm working primarily as software developer, full stack developer. So currently, I'm associated with the Oracle Finance Service software since last 3 years and 9 months. So before that, I worked for the Qatari Infotech Private Limited as a junior developer for 2 years. So about my Oracle experience in Oracle experience. So currently I'm working in the OBDX product. So in that I'm handling the payment model. So in that currently I'm handling the end-to-end development. So my major development happen in as MT101, then payment stop, payment money transfer. So I have worked on the almost all screens and almost I have fixed almost bugs in server side. Also, I have worked in a toolkit and non-toolkit components. So I have that experience as well. So yeah, that is my OBDX product. Work.
Okay. So for working on the UI, which technology you are using?
Knockout.js.
Knockout.js. So you're telling like Knockout.js in the UI and backend is Spring Boot microservices or normal Spring Boot monolithic application?
Core Java we are currently
Okay.
using in the OBDX.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have any exposure over Spring Boot microservices?
Uh, no, not that much.
Okay. Okay, fine. So core Java, okay. What are the like collections you have used so far?
I have used the hash map and array list. Mostly I have used these two.
Okay. Have you used threading?
Threading, no, not that much.
Okay. Okay. What are the Java 8 features you are aware?
Yeah, so the lambda expression majorly I know there are lots of releases they have released in feature they have released in Java 8. So basically Java lambda functions then uh, just give me a 1 minute.
Yeah.
Uh, sorry. So the lambda expression, so it is an anonymous function, nameless, without modifiers and without return times. Basically, lambda expression seen somewhere that comparable and comparator operator. So in that they have used this function very much. Then functional interface they have used, and if we want to use the lambda expression, we cannot use without the functional interface. So comparator and comparable is a main two examples that we can consider for the lambda expression and functional interface. So method reference also is there. Then for each also they have release some feature in for each. Then the stream API. So they have in the collection basically they have introduced some of functions in the stream API. So that's what I know about the Java 8 feature.
Okay. So suppose I have one entity, okay, means class,
Mm,
and
mm,
we am having list of record in the database, and it is a employee
mm,
class, and we have
mm.
all the employee. It is associated with the department, and the department it is
Okay.
there are some set of department that we will assign to all the users. So based on the department, I want to get list of employee. So can you tell me the Java 8 syntax?
Java 8 syntax for
Yes.
the
Yeah, getting the
uh,
data based on the department ID.
based on the department ID. Okay.
Yes.
You need a query or I didn't understand the
No,
question.
I'm
Well, can you
asking
just
the,
elaborate?
yeah, I am asking about the Java using Java 8 features. You can just like get the data. Okay, leave over the database. We have data in a list, but I just want to
Mm-hmm.
know the based on the department ID. I just want the list of record.
based on the department ID, we need to filter it out the
Yeah, the record.
departments.
Yeah, not based on the
Sorry,
department into
employees, employees, employees. Okay,
employees.
just and this I need to using the
Java.
Java features.
Yes.
Okay. Basically, we need to do the filter. I mean, if we consider the in the array list, there are that departments and the
Okay. What are the memory area in Java?
yeah. So there are just give me 2 minutes. Yeah. So there are I get three, four, five types of the memory. Therefore, one is a stack memory. So where we are saving there the reference variable. So second is the heap memory. There we are actually storing the actual value of the reference. Then there is a method area where we actually saves the class level information, and it is. I mean, it is not the separate, but it is part of the heap, and there are the PC registration and native area. But I mean know the mostly that stack, heap, and method area. So stack we can consider it. We are storing there the reference variable, and heap we are storing the actual value. Meaning that if we consider string s1 equal to Pooja, so my s1 will go in the stack, and my actual value Pooja will go in a heap.
Okay. What is a string constant pool?
String constant pool is that I mean it is like if we store there any variable value, it is I mean suppose I'll just give you example wise. String s1 equal to Pooja. So if we consider this Pooja value in the string pool, so suppose I am giving the same value for the different variable, that is a s2. So both will pointed out the same memory in that string pool. So it is like once we add there any memory, then it is not it is storing the duplicate memory there. It will always store the unique values, and it will point out the I mean when in which number we are giving the reference variable, that will straightly pointed out that single value we can I mean consider that.
Okay. So can you share a screen and write one program, any program, whatever you are comfortable?
Uh,
Like Fibonacci series or anything, whatever you are comfortable.
yes, actually currently I'm logging from mobile, so yeah, but you can try. Okay, there is a whiteboard. Are you able to see my screen?
No.
Uh,
Okay, suppose like I want to write one interface and that contains some method.
Actually, yeah. Okay, that program actually
Yeah, but using
they
mobile
are not
only with that.
considering. Hello.
Screen is not visible.
Oh yeah. Okay, okay.
So
Now also it's screen not visible.
no.
Okay.
So is
Okay,
it
then.
possible to join from laptop?
Oh yeah, yeah, that actually I was trying. Just give me 2 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, no, I can't join from actually laptop because that is my office laptop.
Mhm. Okay.
But here I can, I mean, there is a whiteboard I can use to write.
Okay.
So
Try.
can I use it?
Yeah, you can use.
Okay. Fibonacci series program I need to write, right?
Yeah, it's up to you.
Okay, so I'll write the palindrome one.
Now it is visible.
Okay. No, actually, I'm not using it very well.
Okay, fine. Answer one thing. Like, suppose I have one interface. I want to write one interface. Okay. That having
Mm.
some method. Suppose 5 method is there, and when I'm writing an
Okay.
implementation class,
Mm.
I don't want to
Mm.
override all the methods.
Mm-hmm.
Some method in one class, some method in other class, some method in another class. Like that, I want to implement. So, what will be your
Okay.
interface syntax?
So we can, I mean, this is also the Java feature that default method we can give there. So I mean, default or and static methods. Uh, I mean, you don't want to want all
Overwrite all. Yeah, all
interface
the method.
method in the every classes, right? So
Yes.
we can separate it out also the interface. I mean, as per our requirement, that is a one way. Yeah, that is a way only that we can use the method in each interface. I mean, for example, suppose there is a summation only we need to do in every classes. So that signature method we only give in the each interface. I mean, in only one interface, and that interface only we will
Method is
implement in
common.
the classes.
The method is common. That's why I don't want to write it again and again.
Acha, method is common. Okay.
Yeah.
So in that case, we can add the default method there.
Okay.
Yeah.
How JVM is executing our code?
Sorry, what?
How JVM is executing our code?
Okay, okay, yeah. So JVM is a Java virtual machine. So it is taking that byte code and it converted into the machine code, and that machine code is executed separated in the each machine. I mean, only the JRE, if the JRE is installed in the machine, so we can I mean and we have the bytecode, so we can, that bytecode is can be run in any machine. But JVM actually does I mean, it is acts like as an interpreter for the Java code. So it converts the Java code into a bytecode into the machine code and then executed by itself.
Mhm. Okay.
Yes.
Fine, Pooja. I am done with my interview. So I will share my
Okay.
feedback to HR team. They will get back to you.
Okay. Okay, fine. Is the, I mean, just question from my side
Yeah,
is,
yeah.
what will be the work if I get, I mean,
Uh,
selected years? Because initially, my discussion happened with HR, like it is a OBDX product implementation work. So as well as it is a full stack, I mean, development role, full stack developer role.
mhm. So yeah, actually we are working for a bank internal applications. So
Okay.
like we are using like for external system we are having a FlexCube, Finacle, different bankings
Okay.
product. But
Okay.
our side we are creating application for bank need and we are integrating with the core banking and we are giving.
Okay.
So it is
Okay.
completely based on the bank requirement what they are looking. So
Okay.
it
Okay.
is completely a development.
Okay.
So anything else?
Oh, no.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.